If you're a parent looking for safe, educational, and engaging toys for your little one, you've probably come across toddler.co, a website that claims to make parenting easier and playtime smarter. But is toddler.co really worth your money or just another online store with big promises? Let's find out. Toddler.co offers a wide range of baby and parenting essentials, from Montessori toys like busy boards and geometric eggs to practical items such as bath toys and nail trimming sets. At first glance, the website looks clean, professional, and well-organized, giving off the impression of a trustworthy brand. They proudly highlight a 4.6-star Trustpilot rating with over 100,000 happy customers, which definitely sounds impressive. The products themselves are described as high quality, durable, and educational, something every parent looks for in early learning tools. The site has been active since 2021, which means it's been around for a few years, a good sign of stability and reliability. It's also operated under herein Enterprise Pty Ltd, a company that appears officially registered, adding some legitimacy to its operations. Toddler.co maintains active social media profiles on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, regularly posting parenting tips and product demos that help build customer trust. However, some buyers online have reported slower shipping times and occasional communication delays, which could be frustrating for parents expecting quick deliveries. While the toys do look appealing and educational, a few customers have mentioned that certain items arrived slightly different from the photos shown on the website. Overall, Toddler.co seems to be a mixed bag, not a scam, but not perfect either. It's a legitimate store with real operations and real customers, but like any online brand, experiences may vary. If you're planning to order, it might be best to start small and see if Toddler.co truly meets your expectations.